In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a trippy warp shake effect in After Effects. My name is Jason, and let's hop straight into making this effect. Once I have my clip down here, I'm going to right click on my mouse, open a new adjustment layer, make sure it's above our clip. Once after doing that, the first effect I'm going to add is S_shake. I'm going to drag it in right here. I'm going to open up our timeline right there. I'm going to put our amplitude right here at 5. I'm going to make a new keyframe. Then I'm going to have it at the start. Then I'm going to head towards the middle of our adjustment layer. I'm going to put it down to 0.140. Then I'm going to highlight both of our keyframes and ease them by pressing F9 on my keyboard. Then I'm going to head over to X shake and go to X randamp. Head towards the beginning of my clip. And I'm going to put 750 right here. Gonna click on a time watch to have it on our first keyframe. Then I'm gonna head towards about 40% of our clip, so about right here. I'm gonna put it down to 192, and then once again I'm gonna highlight and ease our clips right here. So once after adding the shake effect, I'm gonna tick off our box right there since we're not really messing with the shake effect anymore. Next effect I'm gonna add is S_distort. I'm gonna drag it in right there. I'm gonna head towards the start of our clip. I'm going to put our amount to 2.5. Gonna click on our time watch to create a first keyframe. Head towards the middle of our clip. Well, actually, I'm going to head to about 70% right there. Then I'm going to put our amount down to 0. Then I'm going to highlight our keyframes and ease them. Once after that, I'm going to close our effects right there, since we're not going to mess with S_distort anymore. Next effect I'm going to add is radio blur. I'm going to drag it in, and then I'm going to put on zoom, then high quality. I'm going to head towards the start of our clip right here. Put it on 40. Click on our amount right here. Make our first keyframe, which is going to be at 40. I'm going to head towards the end of our clip, and I'm going to bring it down all the way to 0. I'm going to highlight all of our keyframes right here and ease them. Then I'm going to push our keyframe right here towards the end, and I'm going to close our radio blur effect right there since we're not going to mess with it. Once after adding radio blur, we're going to add S_ultra glow. Drag it in right there. Going to head towards the beginning of our clip. Then I'm going to go down to our threshold and go to 0.14, and this is going to be our first keyframe right here. Click on our time watch and make our first keyframe. Head towards the end over here. Then we're going to go on our threshold and put at 1.118. Then we're gonna highlight both of our keyframes once again and ease them. We're gonna push it to the end. We're gonna close off this effect right here, and then for our last and final effect to tie this whole thing together, I'm gonna add S_flicker. I'm gonna drag it in. I'm gonna put our amplitude up to 1. I'm gonna close that off, and after that, that is how you create a trippy warp shake effect. Before you click off, make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to keep on staying creative, and peace out.